Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyGrokCEO token. Now this token is just completing their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance, and they already have a big central exchange listing already announced. They promised one in the pre-sale blurb that they would be listed on a central exchange. And then the central exchange just announced it on their Twitter last night. So it has come to fruition, and we're going to go over the information on the BabyGrokCEO token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, BabyGrokCEO. This token's actually trending number 2 right now on PinkSale because their pre-sale is just wrapping up right now. It's in the last hour or so. By the time I upload this video, if you're a subscriber, you might see the last 20-30 minutes of this pre-sale, but it is a whitelist only pre-sale, so you had to be on a whitelist. But on their PinkSale page here, it says BitMart, big central exchange listing for BabyGrokCEO. It says Grok Bull was their last project that did 5 times. You can check it on the launch page. So I believe if you scroll down, they'll probably have it on. Oh, no, it's not on here. Sometimes they have previous pre-sales on PinkSale, but you could just check that out in the Launchpad list. So they said their last project, Grok Bull, did 5 times. And BabyGrokCEO aims to bring freshness and whale groups that want to push the baby even higher than Baby Doge. So they're having a whitelist only pre-sale. It's just wrapping up right now. They've had 619 investors already contribute to this pre-sale. It's trending number 2. Now, the strange thing is it says public pre-sale, but then it says whitelist only. So maybe it turned into a public pre-sale. You might be able to catch the last 20 minutes and get involved. But if not, it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed soon on BitMART. Now, it doesn't give an exact date. It just says, upcoming new listing, BitMART will list BabyGrokCEO. BabyGrokCEO is a meme token on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, a community-driven token that cannot be controlled by anyone. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So if you follow at BitMart Exchange or at BabyGrokCEO, which is the Twitter I'm going to put up right here on the screen, they're going to announce very soon when this token is listed on BitMart. Then all you would have to do is download BitMart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on BitMart and search the ticker symbol BabyGrokCEO, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now there's 9 decimal places on this token. They have a full audit, so they were audited by Rug-Free Coins, and you can check out the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. And they have a Reddit on here, Telegram, Twitter, and their official webpage, BabyGrokCEO.com. If you want to follow the Telegram, it's at BabyGrok_CEO, and they have 2,696 members, 646 of them online, so that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project here. They have the contract address right on the Twitter there and a link to their webpage. 3,327 Twitter followers at BabyGrokCEO, 13 tweets so far, so check out the Twitter. Now, if you don't want to get this token off of BitMart, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will be going over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the BabyGrokCEO token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, BabyGrokCEO.com, or that Twitter right here. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. We're going to go over that in a second. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 400 days. Now, initial market cap estimate for this project right now is $147,216. There is a total supply of 420 quadrillion tokens. How the tokens are split up, it says 23.8% go to pre-sale, 7% go to liquidity, 5% go to central exchange listings, 4% go to an NFT game that they're going to come out with, and 60.17% of the tokens get burnt. Now, if you go to their webpage there, they also have a white paper. It'll take you over to BabyGrokCEOs with an S organization.gitbook.io. So BabyGrokCEO is a groundbreaking project combining GROK and CEO trending, a combination of intelligence, innovation, and commitment to excellence. BabyGrokCEO represents the next evolution in meme coins' comeback. During the CEO fever, they took the market by storm after Elon Musk posted images related to the CEO. After that, Elon Musk continued to mention that GROK and the AI product development by the company with the desire to become one of the leading projects. This time, the team combined both of those ideas to create this robot image. This will give the community and people who love Elon Musk ability to follow. The grammar's off on this. I'm trying to correct it as I go, but I believe this is translated from a different language, so we'll skip past this story here. They have a roadmap starting with white paper release, contract deployment, social platform creation. Then we have website creation, NFT collection is going to come out, NFT minting, KYC audit, pink sale, pre-sale, PancakeSwap, pre-launch adverts, marketing, Twitter influencers, more holders, DEX tools trending, AVE trending, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, listing on major exchanges, billboards, more holders, celebrity shoutouts, and Ask Me Anythings. Now their tokenomics here, it does say there is tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, you're going to have to set your slippage around 5%. 3% will go to marketing and 2% will go to liquidity. And on their webpage, they have links to the NFT collection, tokenomics, partners, socials, white paper, story, join the community, etc. Check it all out, BabyGrokCEO. Check this token out on BitMart very soon, and PancakeSwap very soon as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.